In the last lesson, we discussed a little bit in brief how to write down different words in Punjabi language. I will just uh, touch up a little bit what we discussed last time, because we are going to use now different sounds, signs and sounds, how we can write them Punjabi. So I will start one or two examples without any sign. For example, I will write down adrak. This means ginger in Punjabi language. So if I want to write down in Punjabi language, there is no strong sound. It says adrak. So for A, I will use era. For D, because the sound is not da, it is adrak, like the, so I will use the. For R, we use rara, and for K, we use kaka, adrak. Because if you remember, I told that in Punjabi language we always speak what is written and we always write what is spoken. There is nothing like half or double or silent words. We use signs to change the sound of the words spoken. So here, if you see this A doesn't make any sound. Even if we remove this, it will still sound like adrak. So in Punjabi we write down adrak, not adrak. If we pronounce adrak, then we use a different sound. Sign to make the sound. Now I will start to give you examples and teach you the different signs. In Punjabi language, we do not use vowels to make different sounds. For example, if we want to write down something in English, I will start with this. Even if I remove E, it doesn't make any difference of the sound. It is called master. So if I want to write down master in Punjabi, it will be mama, then sasa for S, tenka for T, rara for R. Now if I want to change the sound of this, I can't say word, it's nothing, then I have to use some vowels in English language. If I want to make it master, I have to use A to make the sound from master to master. But E in English doesn't produce any kind of different sound, regardless is there or not, but these are rules of the English language. So I will not criticize that shouldn't be there. This is the sound. But in Punjabi language, if we want to write down master, we don't have to use any vowel here. We have a sign called khanna. Actually, I should have discussed this sign in the beginning, but this sign is like this. Small line and like T. Actually, most of the signs and letters in Punjabi, we always have line on the top to join the letters, and this sign is called kanna. This produced the sound of A. Any letter in any language, if you want to write down in Punjabi language, we have to use kanna. I will give you a few examples of this. Again, this one, as I said, master. So we write down mama, then line. So this change from ma to ma. Then sasa, tenka, Rara, it become master because Mama, Kanna, Sassa, Tenka, Rara. I can give you one or two examples, very simple words, just to let you know how to make the sounds. I'm gonna erase this. In English, we have, say, I can use the word, say, start. And again, in Punjabi, you remember 35 letters plus 6. You can check those in the earlier lessons. So for S, again, we have Sasa. T, we have Tanka. And again, because the sound is A, so we have to use Kanna. And for R and T, we use Rara and T. So the sounds become start and A sound is produced by Kanna. I realize that this lesson is becoming a little bit longer, so I will discuss and use some more examples in the next lesson again with the sign Kanna. And we finish here. And if you like this video, please hit on the like button and subscribe, and check our Facebook link in the video description. Thank you.